Hello, my name's Laureen. I'm from CCO and I'm here to tell you all about CCO on Podio. So basically, what is Podio? Podio is a group discussion and collaboration tool that we love at CCO. We use it internally, and we thought as we were preparing to deliver club content that this would be a really neat way to work with our students and our club members. So we decided to adopt it as our platform. So the best way to think about it is most people are familiar with Facebook. Facebook is a platform. Podio is a very similar platform. You go ahead and join it. You can join Podio for free. Then, once you're inside the platform, you can get invited to private groups. And that's what we have at CCO. We have private groups for each of our student courses, like the physician-based coding course, the auditing course. Each of those students has a private group to discuss issues with each other and with their instructors. And then we've got the CCO Club, which we're so excited about and is going really very well. We also have a membership area where we talk about Find a Code, our encoder of choice that we include in all club purchases. So Podio calls them workspaces. Facebook calls them private groups, but it's the same concept. It's a private group. So let's tell you a little bit more about who we're envisioning all of these support hubs and clubs are for using Podio. Basically, it's anybody in medical coding, billing, physician practice management that needs to connect with other people in similar situations. So students and those actively working in the field alike, this is for you. We have a free forum, so everybody can join, and then we've got the private groups for those that qualify for based on the courses and stuff they sign up for. A little bit as to why did CCO choose to use Podio? It's extremely easy collaboration. We use it internally to make all the great things happen at CCO that we do. We use it for our help desk. We use it for creating content, curating content, transcription, you name it, we do it in Podio. It provides a very organized, threaded conversation view, so even better than in Facebook. So we can keep things on topic. We can mention each other. So if you specifically are trying to get someone's attention that you are answering their question, you can say, at Mary, blah, 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 and they will be alerted that someone has called them out, so to speak. Incredible search capability, very similar to how thorough Google is. So if you want to search all of your private forums, your private groups, in addition to the free forum, you can type in the search box a search term like, say, Mohs from Mohs Micrographic Surgery and say, okay, what on this platform has anyone mentioned about Mohs? And you can jump right to it and view it there. You can rate or comment on anything. You can just give it a simple thumbs up. You don't have to get into an elaborate conversation, but if you want to, we have comment capability on every single item. So you can give us feedback and each other feedback. If you are in our CCO club and you're also in a student support hub and you're also in the free forum, it's very easy to jump from one private discussion area to the next. You can share files. You can set on desktop notifications, or you can have it completely off. You can get email notices every single time something's posted, or you can get just a daily summary, if you will. And it's very, very well organized. So you don't need to be bombarded with tons of emails. You can just get the one. Or you can turn everything off and only come to Podio when you want to. And it is mobile ready. If you use the Chrome browser on your mobile device and you go to Podio, you can watch all of the videos that CCO shares in the free forum and in the club. Podio as well has their own app that you can install on your mobile device. So, how do you get signed up? This is really the main purpose for this video. Is signing up for Podio is a little bit different than joining a discussion forum in other places. But because of all the benefits that I just went over, it's definitely worth the extra steps to get into Podio and get hooked up to the private forums that CCO offers. So the first thing to do is you want to sign up for Podio itself, similar to signing up for Facebook first before you joined a private CCO group on Facebook. So we're going to go to this link here, which takes you to cco.us, and when you click on Free Forum Join for free, this gives you kind of an outline of the steps you have to go through to get in. So step 1, there's a link here on how to get logged in. I recommend using one of these authenticating platforms, Google, Facebook, etc. But if you don't want to do that, you can use an email address and put in your name and password. It does say work email, but you don't have to use a work email. Use whatever one you want to use, probably the one that you're used to corresponding with CCO with. Remember, Podio is designed for businesses, so they're very they're going to ask you questions about how many employees you have. Just, answer it. It's not going to affect anything. So let me show you right here. There's a blue button. I'm going to open this and actually walk you through what it looks like to do this. So I'm going to put in a test account that I just set up. laurenj.test@gmail. Oops. Oh, okay. Would you like to sign in with Google? Yes, actually, I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So that was nice of it to remind me of that. And you just click allow, and then this way, the next time you go to log into Podio, you only have to authenticate with your Gmail account or your Google account. So now this is the initial screen that you're going to get. I work at, you can put whatever company you want. I'm just going to put ABC Company, just to show you what it's going to do later. Select an industry. I'm just going to put other. How do you intend to use it? I'm going to put other. How many employees? 1 to 10. What's your phone number? You can put in a phone number if you want. You don't have to. And then you could add team members, but I don't recommend it. Just get yourself set up. Click done. And as far as all this stuff is, you can ignore it. It's just basically from Podio getting you acclimated to what it's all about. Okay, so at this point I'm going to go to my email and look for these messages. So here's the first one. Oh, that's Google, never mind. Podio account information. So we're going to get this welcome to Podio message. So that means we successfully made it in, so that's good. Okay, so now that we've done step 1 and step 2, now we're going to do step 3 to get invited to our first private forum. So we're going to put in our name. Okay, you're going to agree to the forum rules. You can click on that to read it or right click and open it in a new tab. Basically just your typical play nice rules. Okay, so now we're going to look for one more email that's going to look like this. So let me go see if that's come in yet. And here it is. It's going to say, thank you for requesting the invite to the free forum. You're going to receive a welcome email shortly. So just give that a minute and you'll see that come through. Okay, and here it is. Invitation for Lori, please join the CCO free forum, and you can go ahead and read that. Basically, you'll get one of these for every private group at CCO you request to join or are invited to because of a purchase you made with us. Down below, this is the important link here where it says please click here to join whichever private group. This is unique to you and your email address, so it is not something you should forward or share. So I'm going to show you how that works and try and open this in a new tab. And it jumped me right into it because I'm already a Podio member. And so now I'm in the free forum, and this is Podio. This is CCO on Podio. Now, this particular user, when I click on this menu here, you're going to notice it says ABC Company because that's what I put in as far as the company I work for. And they put in demo workspace stuff. Don't worry about that. You can actually remove that and just click Leave Organization and get rid of that distraction. And then you'll just be left with the menu for CCO. Okay, and you'll get notices from time to time from the folks at Podio up here. Once you read it, you can X out at it. And this is your personal dashboard. You can play around with this and add tiles, and it'll show all of the conversations, all of the things going on in all of the private groups that you belong to with CCO. So we'll do some more videos on getting around in Podio, but I wanted to at least go over all of the benefits and basically why we're using Podio. If you need any help at all, go to cco.us/helpdesk and open up a ticket, and we'll be more than glad to help you. But try and go through these steps first, you know, the 1, 2, 3 steps, and you should not have a problem. Okay? Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you over on the Clubs and Hubs. Bye.